Unlocking the power of Advanced Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud, what you need to know. In today's digital world, even a minor downtime can lead to major losses. How prepared is your business for an unexpected disaster? That's where Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud comes in. This powerful tool is designed to help businesses quickly recover from data loss and keep operations running smoothly. Let's dive into what you need to know about unlocking the full power of Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud. Automated data backups. Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud offers automated data backups, ensuring that your critical information is always safe and secure. With regular backups, you can rest easy knowing that your data is protected. Fast recovery time. One of the key benefits of Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud is its fast recovery time. In the event of a data loss incident, you can quickly restore your information and get back to business in no time. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud offers scalability and flexibility to meet your specific needs. You can easily adjust your storage and recovery options as your business grows. With Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud, you can have peace of mind knowing that your data is safe, recoverable, and always accessible. That wraps up our overview of the power of Acronis Disaster Recovery Cloud. Want to learn more? Visit our website